Let me start. I hope it's clear on your side. Yes, allow me to start by just maybe giving you the journey that we've walked through. This journey was crafted and formatted just to tell you what other platforms are available in ZB that are there for you to use. We didn't delve into what we use at the offices. We just looked at what it is that customers should be looking at and should be using, so that we are able to understand how we are working with you as customers and how we're also working with you as our partners. So at the top, I put there an online payments portal. We've got one of the best online payments portal in the country. Very smooth, very fast. Proof of payments coming fast. It's customized to whatever transaction you want to do. If you want to do Zimra, you find it there. If you want to pay school fees, if you want to do universities, you find it there. If you want to pay anything that you'd like to transact, it's there. It is a platform that has got both banking services, insurance services, and investment services. To twin with it, we've got a digital app that we call My ZB Digital App. It is more like a replica of the site. It can also give you banking, insurance services, and investments in your pocket so that you are as mobile as possible. As we speak, we have just concluded the deployment of integrations with MasterCard, International Acquiring, and also with Visa. To the extent that in the next few days, I don't know how many days, there will be a launch of new products that speaks to international card acquiring around Visa and MasterCard. In addition to that, at ZB, we've got the best TT processing platform. We are well integrated with SWIFT, and most people, most exporters and importers, they come to us for TT processing because we are well enabled to deliver on that. We've also, as we speak, integrated with a Pan-African platform for RTGS and a SADC platform for RTGS, which means we are working in tandem with the expectation of the market, and this is where we should be. Now, going into the discussion of the day, which I hope all of you have met with this, is actually premiering on ZTN, on Facebook, and other places as we speak. This is about our fintech strategy around payments. We have created a twin digital solution, which is a wallet, a digital wallet that is integrated to a payment gateway. We have looked at what the market is offering currently in terms of e-commerce, in terms of wallets, and we've realized all the gaps that are available. And we have studied all that and realized that we needed to develop something that is made in Zimbabwe. We know that most of these players in the market are a bit expensive because of license and technology costs, but here we are as technology people, we've developed this in order to make sure that it's available for Zimbabweans and it can be used globally. So ZB has today unleashed ZB Smile and Pay. Can we put our hands together? Cynthia doesn't want me to say ZB Smile. She just wants me to say Smile Cash and Smile and Pay. So these are the two platforms that we've got. They will work together, and that's the unique proposition that we've got in this country. Most of our competitors have got just wallets, but we've gone beyond to integrate it with a payment gateway, and you realize why that is important. So from a solutions perspective, yes, we are offering those solutions that are available in the market currently. In addition to that, we are going beyond that. We are offering more solutions beyond that in some of the areas. For instance, it is a challenge right now to do bulk disbursements in the country. The wallets that are available need to be linked with other platforms for them to deliver bulk payments. Our platform is able to do that from the onset. For instance, it is difficult to receive remittances from outside the country and be able to see that in your wallet. Our wallet that we developed is able to provide such services. It is also a challenge for you to be able to pay or to ask for someone to pay for you, even if they are not registered on the wallet itself. With the ZB product, which is your Smart Cash, you are able to request for a payment from anyone, wherever they are. Even if they are on EcoCash, or even if they don't have a wallet, if they've got their card, they are able to pay you using their card. Not just in Zimbabwe, but globally. You can send this for a payment from someone in Australia, from someone in the UK, from someone in the USA. It is possible, because you are requesting for a payment, or for something to be paid for. Guys, can we put our hands together? So these solutions, we believe they are going to be what we're seeing as local, but we are looking at taking them also globally. We believe that we should be able to serve the underserved through financial inclusion initiatives, because right now the cost of transacting is very high, and we believe that we've got a solution to reduce that cost of transactions. In terms of e-commerce, it's still very in early stages in Zimbabwe. The payment gateways that are available are not offering good enough service, and they're expensive to do so. So I was talking to my colleagues in the media and telling them that now you can sell your products. If the paper wasn't selling because you don't have a way to sell, please do sell it through our payment gateway. Just come and become a merchant and sell it. If you've got anyone that has got an online shop, just bring them on board and they start selling and getting revenue through us. So this is something big for us. It's huge and it's gonna grow, because we are not stopping here. We still have a lot to launch. Like I told you, the international acquiring is waiting on the realm. It's just time for us to launch this and move forward. In terms of the features, I think my colleagues went all out to actually demonstrate the features, and I think they will demonstrate to you some of the features that we are talking about here. But it's full of the features that are currently existing in the market, and we've tried to make sure that we address some of the pain points that we have as a market. So this is something that is going to be demonstrated. In terms of the ecosystem itself, ZB, as you know, has been in the industry for more than 50 years, right? So we already have an ecosystem that exists from merchants to MTAs and other fintechs. We are already integrated because those relationships existed. We've already started to make sure that the new platforms that we have launched are fully integrated to those people. So in terms of paying fees, in terms of sending money, cross-border payments, in terms of other banks through ZimSwitch and everything else, is catered for. You can also even link it to all the cards that you've got so that you can do payments at ease. E-commerce is something that excites me. Sorry, this screen is behind. E-commerce excites me because where we are going to, we are living in a global village right now, okay? You don't need to be limited to the services of what exists in our country. So this is a wallet that is straightforward going to take you into e-commerce because it's integrated with the payment gateway. So that's why I'm calling upon all merchants that are available here and people that you know that have got pain points in terms of selling their products online, that you now have a solution for doing business. This slide is representing the strategic philosophy that we are using as we go forward. Our payments strategy is modeled on the basis of what we call a power model. Power, which starts with a P because it's a platform. We are looking at integrating our platform with other platforms. These platforms will play a global role in making sure that as a market, we are also linked to other markets in terms of their ecosystem. So we are going to develop it around that. We are going to offer e-commerce online, which is the O, and making sure that we are able to create the digital experience that Zimbabwe requires. It is also wallet-based in a way. In fact, I needed to mention this, that we have got the platform for wallets, and we've launched a wallet that is owned by ZB, which is Smart Cash. But other business can come to ZB and ask for white-labeled wallets and be able to offer wallets that are in their name that they can administer, and we provide that capability. Okay? So wallets is going to be key even as we go forward. There are a lot more talking about wallets, There are things to do with loyalty that you can manage, the digital capability that it brings. You know, in terms of currency, you know, wallets need to be multiple currencies, okay? So now, there is something that can allow you to do that. If the central bank today say we want to launch a digital currency, we are on the first, we are already compatible with that. So this is where we are going. We will also be offering what we are calling embedded capabilities. Embedded capabilities is where we will allow what we call the Internet of Things or our devices to be able to spend money on our behalf. Just like your cars. They do spend money on your behalf when you pass on a toll gate. But unfortunately, they use you to pay for it. In the near future, they're just supposed to pay by themselves. You allocate a budget for them and they move on. That's where we are going. Real time is just making sure that you transfer, you receive money on a real-time basis. You pay for goods and services, you receive whatever you want on a real-time basis. So that's the power model. But looking at the structure of our financial institution, because we have got banking services, we've got insurance, we've got investments, and also have got properties. This platform is a game changer, both at a model development as well as at the market side of things. I believe that our marketing people, and the rest of the team members are going to be showcasing this project going forward. I think the media will have it, the papers, the radios, the TVs, online, everything else. We will be going all out to educate customers and everyone how to use. As we develop new features and intents, we will be making sure that you work with us. This is what you have. Can we put our hands together for a second?
It really is something big. I hope you have understood. Our wallet is the Smile Cash. This is a digital wallet that's zero-rated, that allows you to speak to any other wallet. And I like the fact when you started talking about white labeling, meaning that Zimbabweans having a device, and with a projection of about 50 billion devices in the hands of consumers in the world by 2030. That tells you the potential of how much solutions like the mobile wallet, the payment gateway would have. I'm just going to quickly take you through the Smile Cash mobile app. But for this to make sense, we're all going to onboard. So I'm going to ask you to take out your phones. The first 10 people to onboard, Cynthia has promised you something. So we're just going to quickly onboard. So if you do have your cell phones with you, can we get ready? Say, I can continue. Can I proceed? Yes. Okay. So you enter 1 to say you want to register. Please enter 1. Then enter your full name. It's going to ask you for your first name and your surname. Then move on to your national ID number. Please enter your national ID number. We want to know you're authentic. And this is part of getting to know your customer in banking, isn't it? It will then ask you to move on to your date of birth. On the gender, we only have male and female. There is no other or it and them. So please enter your gender. Okay, someone is done. So enter 1 to confirm your details. Done. Okay. You are going to receive an OTP. Have you received it? Okay. Please enter the OTP. Then we also have cardless cash withdrawals on your ATM or in branch in our service centers. Also have QR code payment functionality. So regardless of the size of merchant that you are, we're opening up to our SMEs. I think there's always been this drive is how do we include SMEs and the informal into the banking network? This is what we're trying to do. Make it easy, make it seamless for them to be able to transact. Then you also have agent cash in and agent cash out. Cynthia did speak to our agents. We've got over 900 agents countrywide. So this now means you can visit any of our agents as we register more to cash in and cash out. One of the fantastic solutions, I think you'll find it on other apps as well, on other mobile wallets as well, is your transaction history and your notifications. So in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have on offer for you. We are very excited, and one of the things that I think Chief Kangai spoke about is we are customer driven by customer insights, driven by customer needs, and driven by customer feedback. So we'll continue improving and adding onto the wallet as we go. Thank you very much. And to those who've succeeded, I think Cynthia will then sort you out. Oh, there is she.
Launch, I think like our CTO called the twin digital solution, something that has not been done in the market. So a big pam to us for that. Thank you. So we really appreciate your time, the interest that you have taken. I think some of the questions that you've actually asked were thought-provoking, and you actually take that into consideration as we seek to further even develop or correct any issues that we might find along the way. So thank you for your contributions, and we do value that. I'd like to also thank our team that has been dedicated to bring this event to success. I know there's some that have spent sleepless nights organizing this event, and not just the event itself, but the product, the innovation itself. So well done to the team, and thank you for all the hard work. It doesn't go unrecognized. And then finally, just to thank you all, our media partners, for helping us share this exciting development